Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a payment on Klarna. Alright, if you've been wondering how to make a payment on Klarna, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a quick one, just going to give you guys a couple of steps, step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Klarna account. You can choose to do so on the mobile app if you have it on your mobile device, or you can log in on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the payments tab, and there you're going to select the payment that you want to make, and then you're going to choose your payment method. And once that's done, just enter the payment amount, and they gotta confirm the payment details. Make sure that everything is accurate, and once that's confirmed, Klarna is going to process the payment. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a payment on Klarna. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.